Hey, I am at the Rouge River near my hometown in Canada. This is where I started, and I haven't paddled this river in at least over a decade. You know, I haven't really paddled it that much at all since I, made the move to North Carolina. So I love to tell stories about how many times I used to swim, and here we go. Okay, so this rapid was the warm-up rapid, and back when I first started kayaking, I paddled that rapid behind me and got to this pool, and I was so pumped that I threw my paddle up in the air, like yay, and I immediately flipped over and swam. So it's fun to revisit these spots for sure. One time I swam at three different places and just kept getting back in. It's wild to be here. It's so interesting because, like I said, I haven't paddled it a lot. It's like not that difficult of a river. And it's just funny, like all the emotions come back from, like, I don't know. It's cool. So let's run this corner, see what it's like. I'll try not to swim. So I made it. There's washing machine behind me. I was so nervous. Oh my gosh. I'm also in the Nova, which I'm still getting used to. Back to double slice or full slice. Anyways, that was really fun.